What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we are unboxing the collaboration with Tyler, the Creator, and Converse. This is the Golf Le Fleur Two Tone. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to raffle away the Sean Wotherspoon cap, the Under Armour Hover Sonic, and the Fila Pokemon sneaker the moment to hit 15,000 subscribers. And we're just, I think, 100 or so subs away. So make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. It's a quick bit of trivia that you might find interesting. Tyler, the Creator, doesn't even like golf, and apparently the reason why he uses golf is, according to him, it's just a sick word. So let's start with the box. You have a pink top with the Golf Le Fleur with that signature flower at the top and the Converse logo. The bottom of the box is black with the different details of the shoe with the usual tag at the side. It says here the usual size 12, which I use for me. It is unisex, so it does display as well the women's size of the sneaker. And it is unisex because the moment you guys see the shoe, you will obviously see that it is super unisex. Now let's pop open the lid. Once you go inside, what you find is one of the nicest dust bags that I've ever seen in a sneaker. So it's a drawstring dust bag with the Tyler, the Creator Golf Le Fleur logo with the flower there and the Converse logo. Let's get to the shoe itself. Here we have it. As you guys can see, it's your typical Converse silhouette, that white midsole, but the thing that's pretty interesting about it is the design on the top. It's dominantly suede, but the most striking thing about it obviously is the colorway and the design. You have the signature Tyler, the Creator, or Golf Le Fleur flower design over the Converse star over here. And as the name of the collection implies, two-tone, it features two dominant colors per shoe. The one that I picked up, the one that I have here in my hand, is the molten lava and deep blue sneaker colorway. Now, if you ask me, I just call it the Spider-Man colorway, mainly because it just looks like Spider-Man. But anyway, apart from that, it also comes with extra red laces. So if you want to swap it out, you can actually go for the red ones over the white ones that it comes with the sneaker built in. Moving down to the bottom, you have that really sick, I don't usually describe flowers as sick, but it really does look sick when you take a look at the outsole. The black flower design just really shines and looks pretty awesome, regardless if you are a guy or a girl. Suede quality is pretty consistent. It's not the type of suede where you touch it, the color changes. I'm not sure if that's an indicator of quality, if it's good or not, but overall, it is a pretty well-designed shoe. Now, there are other colorways, some of which are a little more out there. There's a pink one, there's a cotton candy colorway, there's a violet and green colorway, all of which are available on display at Commonwealth. So if this is something that catches your fancy, you might want to check out all of those shoes on display. Moving into the insole, it has some sort of very squishy, comfortable insole that's non-removable, but it does add a lot to the overall comfort of the sneaker. I did wear this for a day, and I was pleasantly surprised with how comfortable this sneaker is. So what are the issues with this particular sneaker? There are two big ones if you ask me. Number one is the price. This one sells for 7,550 pesos, which is a bit pricey for a Converse sneaker. Because if you guys remember this particular sneaker from Converse as well, this is the Converse collab with Sneakers and Stuff. This is the one with the patches of suede and leather forming the camo design. This one just sells for 6,500 pesos. And this is hella sicker and so much nicer compared to the Golf Le Fleur collab of Converse. It's the same one-star silhouette. This one just uses mostly suede and leverages off Tyler, the Creator's popularity and IP compared to the SNS design that you have here. Creativity-wise, if you ask me, this one wins hands down. Price-wise, this wins hands down. But this one is definitely sure to turn heads and just grab all the eyes walking past you because it is such an attention grabber. Secondly is the design. This is going to be a hit or miss design. You will either love it or you will hate it. But one thing's for sure, you will look. You will stare because the loud two-tone color is just something that's too hard to ignore. So when you are dressing this up, you will be dressing it up to be able to feature it in your wardrobe, not to obviously tone it down because people will just look at it. And if you have too much going on with your top and your pants, it will just be such a crazy look. So do I recommend the Converse Tyler, the Creator Golf Le Fleur two-tone collaboration that's now available? If you ask me if the style talks to you, again, style is very subjective. If this particular design, if the loud colors of this colorway is the one that really appeals to you and you have the budget, why not knock yourselves out, go ahead and buy one. But if you ask me, what I would really recommend is that you are in the market for a Converse one-star sneaker, head on over to StockX or a reseller or GOAT or whatever and just check out this shoe instead. This is, of course, the Converse one-star collaboration with SNS. I'll put a link down below for the review, guys, if you guys haven't seen it yet. This, for me, is the best one-star that has released for the year. In fact, this, for me, is one of the best sneakers that has released so far for the year. I just love the design, the artistry, and the overall look and build of this shoe. This one trumps this one, hands down. And this one is also even more affordable at 6,500 compared to the 7,550 of this sneaker. What if you don't have a budget? You don't have like 6,500 or 7,500 pesos to splurge on a sneaker. You can just get the pinstripe one-star Converse sneaker that's still available here in the Philippines at different Converse stores. It's also available at Popcorn General Store. This one is so sick in terms of design. You have that white stripe here, all black construction. You have some sort of plushy star material for the one star. And this one just sells for 4,500 pesos. And it's such a versatile shoe with the design and the build. So again, you don't have to spend a lot if you want a one-star Converse sneaker. And that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you like this video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram because I have a bunch more content coming your way this week. Every day, mind you. And you have to be subscribed to the channel and you have to follow me on Instagram to be part of our raffles. That's it for now. I hope you guys are having a great week. Peace. God bless.